Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today. As usual, we got some breaking news. We got an update on the Ripple versus SEC case, and this is going to be a good one. I promise you guys this is breaking news as of about an hour and 30 minutes ago at the time of recording this video. However, quick little word from our sponsor here, which is you. Smash the like button down below. Seriously, it helps out the channel incredibly more than you could ever imagine. You didn't smash the like button yet. Okay, there we go. Thank you. All right, so got some interesting action on XRP today. I know you look at the XRP price on CoinMarketCap, it says down 5.4%. You go over on TradingView and it says, down 6%, but XRP has been quite the anomaly lately with price action. Let's go to the weekly chart just for some perspective here. We had a nice little push up to 44 cents. And we were live streaming right here, so I did essentially, in a way, maybe cause the dump. I don't know. That's up for debate. But we had a very nice attempt. A very nice attempt of breaking this level and going for the gap fill here. So we were essentially kind of looking for something like this to grab all that liquidity right there, because eventually that liquidity is going to be grabbed by somebody. Someone's going to do it. It's going to happen. Yesterday, I truly thought like it was just going to start rocketing off, but it actually did not. And what am I doing on TradingView here? Like the tiny blue dot on the screen is bothering me. So let's go down to the smaller time frames to kind of see a little bit more of the drama. It's been so weird, man. It's been so weird. So you had the Ripple filing the public motion for summary judgment. You had that happen like it was 2 days before September 19th. So September 17th, man. So like right here is when that summary judgment major news came out. And you could see, dude, somebody knew about that coming out. Somebody knew about that coming out, dude. There was a $500 million XRP whale purchase. Then after the summary judgment is filed, or the motion for summary judgment is filed, XRP starts just going wild, dude. It's acting like really, really crazy, dude. It's just pumping up and down. Okay, the pullback, pump, major dump, completely cancel out the dump and pump even higher, dump more. And then what we had happen earlier in the day today, I want to say around like 10 a.m., like Pacific Standard Time, California time, basically. You had this unit going on here. So, guys, XRP's acting wild, bro. It's acting so wild. You got, immediately it pumps up from 40 cents to 41, dumps down to 38, levels back out at 39, then goes for a rip to 44 again, and then goes for a crazy dump, and then now back out on support. Guys, something's brewing here. Like I've been saying the last few videos, something's brewing here, and it's not beer. Okay? There's something weird going on. Look at all of this drama in the XRP charts lately, dude. All right, just look at all of this drama going on here. It's honestly really piquing my interest, and especially the 40 cent to 33 cent dump, and then right back to 40 cent, pullback, cup, boom, and then chop, 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 dump, dump, squid. Like, look at all of this drama going on. And the reason why this drama started was because of this point in time right here, which is the Ripple filing the public motion for summary judgment against the SEC. So, guys, the XRP chart, it's brewing, and on the weekly chart, we're going to get that 80-90 cent XRP. I'm telling you, we're going to get that 80-90 cent XRP. That gap must be taken down. All right, let's get into the breaking news of today, guys. So James K. Fillin at FillinLaw on Twitter. The court has reviewed the request by the Chamber of Digital Commerce for leave to file an amicus brief and the parties' responses, and has granted the Chamber's request. The order and brief are below. Oh, guys. The SEC, they hate amicus briefs. They don't, dude, they quite literally tried to remove John Deaton out of the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit and the 70,000 plus XRP holders he represents in the case. The SEC filed a motion to remove John Deaton and essentially you guys, the XRP holders. The SEC did not like us having a voice in the case. All right? They filed a motion to remove John Deaton and the XRP holders from the case. Denied. And then now, or a few days ago, The, Chamber of Digital Commerce, they filed an amicus brief, which at the time was not like approved yet. So then the SEC, listen to this. Ripple defendants object to SEC suggestion that the SEC will seek additional time or pages if other amicus, submit briefs. And then Ripple says, this is yet another transparent attempt to further delay resolution of this case, and the court should reject it. So once the SEC got wind, once they got a smell of the Chamber of Digital Commerce stepping in for an amicus brief, they immediately went, oh, okay, you know what, we need more time, we need more pages, Yeah, we seek additional time and pages. Like, okay, if you're going to bring in more people to come against us, we're going to need some time. We're going to have to delay this one. And Ripple's going, no, this is another attempt at further delay. So I think the court's going to reject it because the court today gave approval to the Chamber of Digital Commerce amicus brief. They granted the Chamber's request. So now you got two people that are not Ripple. You got two entities that are not Ripple in the Ripple versus SEC case providing information to go against the SEC. Then what gets really interesting is that now you got, the day after Ripple files the public motion for summary judgment, then you got Ripple very, very suddenly meeting with the CFTC commissioner. And the CFTC's words in the past have essentially been against the SEC and saying that they do not have jurisdiction over pure commodities such as cryptocurrency, gold, oil, such that, crude, right? So the Ripple and the CFTC is, kind of on the same train of thought. So maybe I'm theorizing here because I don't know how the law works. I don't know if another agency on the same level of the SEC can step in. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to say that I don't think the CFTC can legally interject in the SEC's case. That kind of seems like that just seems kind of weird. Because you got Ripple meeting with the CFTC, and I got to be wondering if they're planning for not only John Dean to get an amicus brief, Chamber of Digital Commerce, but then CFTC to come with an amicus brief. So then it's like you got 4 versus 1 in the case, right? 3 people that are not Ripple, 3 entities that are not Ripple, interjecting in the case, going after the SEC specifically. But I don't know enough about government and law if the CFTC can meddle within SEC lawsuits. But it's very, very interesting how the CFTC and Ripple, they met the day after Ripple filed a motion for summary judgment. Guys, there's a lot of interesting things going on right now. I've been excited lately. I think I've been even pumping out more videos than usual because I with what's going on the charts, with what's going on the charts and all this drama and then all this, SEC getting destroyed in the lawsuit. It's certainly some very, very interesting times. Okay. Next one. We got this from, Brad Garlinghouse, who just spoke at Mainnet 2022, and he's actually sitting up there with Ryan Selkis, who is a, publicly known anti-XRP, anti-Ripple. But of course, Ryan Selkis, he barks a big bunch on Twitter, but then when he goes to meet David Schwartz or Brad Garlinghouse in person, fucking zips his lip. He doesn't say anything. Because then again, it's in person this time. It's much different. I like the quote by Mike Tyson where he says that the internet have made a lot of you very comfortable with insulting each other without getting punched in the face for it. Right. And then, dude, I've been seeing so many YouTube shorts about Tyson doing the shrooms, man. He loves those things. I see if he's at some football game or basketball game and he's just in the crowd, just talking to himself. He's totally buzzing off those shrooms. Anyways, Brad Garlinghouse says, by mid-November, we should have the motion for summary judgment fully briefed in front of the judge. Could happen sooner than that because, the SEC's filing for more time, more pages. Ripple's rejecting or requesting the court to reject. Then the question is, how long does the judge take to make a ruling? It could be 2 months, 6 to 8, 9 months. Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple. So, guys, there's your latest development from the Ripple versus SEC case. Chamber of Digital Commerce is officially in for an amicus brief. You got 2 entities that are not Ripple in the Ripple versus SEC case, providing information to go against the SEC. And the SEC does not like that. The SEC tried to kick out John Deaton and, us XRP holders from the case. Then they get a whiff of, Chamber of Digital Commerce trying to get amicus brief, and then the SEC goes, oh, wait, hold on. Wait, if you're going to do more amicus briefs, we need more time. We need more time. Oh, what, to backpedal and start making up fucking words and phrases all of a sudden to back up your securities claim? I'm never going to forget the Twilight Zone statement. I'm never going to forget the SEC literally saying the word Twilight Zone in their freaking documents, man. Oh, was Hinman's speech personal opinion or agency guidance? Oh, well, it's like a Twilight Zone in the middle. They're making shit up as they go. Bullshit. They don't need more time. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in the video today. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one.